Dear children of class 4th, we are moving with chapter 4, the story of Amrita, and we have finished with the explanation part of that chapter, also the question answers. Now you are at the stage to complete the activity sheet or the worksheet, or you may give the answer yourself and complete the work. So here you can say this is a type of quiz that you have to complete it. I will give you some clues about the leaf of the trees and you have to identify them and also write 2 or 4 lines about that leaf in your notebook after the video. This is the first leaf. Students, I am giving the clue that this is the leaf of a tree which gives oxygen at the night also, and people do worship this tree. So which plant or the tree is this? You have to write 2 or 4 lines about that. The second plant, this is the plant which is used as the medicine, or it has the medicinal value, and we take it in the tea also. So you have to identify this and write 2 or 4 lines about this also. Yes, the third one, this is the leaf of a very big tree which has the hanging roots also. Have you got it? Fine. You should write 2 or 4 lines about this also, and you may take the help of your parents in identifying the leaves. Hello students, what is this? This is the leaf. This plant also has the medicinal value and we use its oil also. We used to bath by boiling it in our water, and it has the antiseptic values also. So write about this tree's leaf in your notebook. This was all about the leaves. Now you will move with the birds. What you have to do, I will show you some birds pictures. You have to tell that you have seen them in your area or not. You have to write yes or no after their picture only. Draw the picture in the notebook and then write yes or no, I have seen this bird in my locality or my area. Dear children, which is this bird? Now you have to take the help of your grandparents, I think, and you should write its name and write that yes, I have seen this, or no, I have not seen this in my area. Which bird is this one? You have to write about it that you have seen it, yes or not, then no, I have not seen this in my area. Which bird is this one? Have you seen it in your area or not? Write yes or no after making its picture. Which bird is this one? Write about it also. Which bird is this one? You should write about its name and then yes if you have seen it and no if you have not seen it in your area. So today you have to complete with these 2 activities. First was to identify the leaves of the trees, and the second one is identifying the birds and write yes for if you have seen those in your area and no for if you have not seen in your area. So students, do these activities in your notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.